We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are making our easy spaghetti recipe. It's made using one pot, is ultra flavorful, and can be made in under 45 minutes. To start, add ground meat to a hot pan with some oil. I'm using ground beef here, but any ground meat will work. You could even swap in your favorite plant-based ground crumbles if you'd prefer. Use a spoon to break up the meat, and then, when it's starting to brown, add in chopped onions. Cook the onions, stirring every once in a while until they have softened. Now stir in tomato paste, minced garlic, oregano, and for a touch of heat, red pepper flakes. Pour in some liquid. This is water, but a dry red wine or stock work well as well. Scrape any bits of meat stuck to the bottom of the pot and then pour in crushed tomatoes. Season with salt and pepper, and then cook the sauce at a low simmer until the meat is tender and the sauce has reduced. As always, the full recipe is on Inspired Taste. To finish, stir in some fresh herbs. I love using basil. You could spoon this sauce over pasta or do what I like to do, which is to toss the pasta with the sauce in the pot. Doing this makes sure that the pasta absorbs some of the flavor from the sauce. Just before serving, toss in some Parmesan cheese. As always, the full recipe with ingredient amounts is on Inspired Taste. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.